Good morning. We are Team Crew Coders A to Z, Team ID 94807, presenting our idea Suraksha Yaatri, which is a temple and pilgrim crowd management system. Tourist safety remains a pressing challenge. Current systems are reactive, which is authorities often respond only after an incident such as stampede or violent outbreak has already escalated. Manual SOS calls delay response, while weak data protection leaves tourists vulnerable to identity theft. These gaps result in poor crowd management, late interventions, and compromised trust in tourism safety. Thus, after looking into it, our solution is Suraksha Yatri. It is an AI-powered safety platform that acts proactively rather than reactively, which uses drones or maybe even CCTV feeds. The system detects threats like weapon, overcrowding in real time, and the dynamic geofencing alerts tourists before they enter danger zones. A blockchain-based digital ID secures tourist data, ensuring safe and reliable identity verification. We also implement a hybrid ticketing system where darshan passes are first validated in a fast local database for real-time entry checks and selectively cross-verified on blockchain to ensure tamper-proof authentication. The uniqueness relies in integrating three dimensions, which are AI, geofencing, and blockchain, into a single automated responsive safety ecosystem. Architecture is built on 4 layers. First, the input layer. Drones and CCTVs provide live footage while tourists register securely, generating blockchain-based IDs. Darshan passes are checked instantly against a database for fast entry with blockchain cross-verification, ensuring that every token remains unique, secure, and tamper-proof. Second, the processing layer. YOLO NDM count models analyze video feeds for weapon or crowd surges. Alerts are pushed through server endpoints into the database, and geofencing logic, which are powered by Google Map APIs, create dynamic safety zones. Third, the validation layer. Alerts are reviewed in the command dashboard by officials. Digital IDs are cross-checked for verification. Finally, the response layer. Tourists receive instant alerts for guidance on their app through push notification with a panic button for emergencies. Welcome to Suraksha Yatri. Let me show you our admin portal first. This is our admin portal. First, we will see our geofencing dashboard, where we can set our dashboards. We can even manually delete them for our database. Now we will create a danger zone where we can select a location, for example, our college. Then we will fill specific infos. And then the best part is we can drag and drop and select the diameter all by ourselves. But the admin doesn't have to specify the location. And we will save it. For example, I've already created a few danger zones in Chitapur metro station. Here we can already see our saved data. The admin portal also have a verify option where we can verify registered blockchain IDs and get the info about the user. It also has an alert section where we have used YOLO model to detect weapon and get alert as shown in the video. It has given us 3 specific alerts which can also resolve and send it to resolved alert database. Now for the user dashboard, remember those polygons which we registered on our college? We can definitely see them from user dashboard as well.
Our AI model is built to detect and predict stampede risk in crowded place. The way it works is step by step. First, we estimate the crowd density using heat maps to understand how tightly packed people are. Next, we calculate motion vectors, which tell us the speed and direction of the crowd. When these vectors show sudden surges, chaos, or opposing flows, the system detects them as disturbances or anomalies. By combining density, flow, and disturbance factors, we generate a probability score that represents the risk of a surge or stampede, and if it crosses a threshold, we raise an alert. Technically, the pipeline uses YOLO to detect individuals, CSR net to create density heat maps, optical flow to track movements, and byte track to keep identities consistent across frames.
First, we will check the MetaMask status by refreshing the page. Then we will collect the wallet. Now, after connecting successfully, we can create the blockchain ID.
This system is very feasible because it uses existing infrastructure like CCTV, drones, GPNs, and smartphones, requiring no expensive new hardware. Integration with police and tourism department is straightforward, and the estimated cost for this project are 3 to 5 lakh per zone, plus one-time AI training at 10 to 15 lakh, making nationwide deployment feasible. The edge AI encryption and offline sync ensure reliability across different environments. And if we talk about its impact on our society, the solution prevents loss of life through proactive crowd management. It builds tourist trust by protecting identity and reducing fraud with blockchain IDs. Economically, it safeguards tourism revenue and strengthens India's global tourism image. Operationally, AI reduces manual monitoring load and improves decision making. The simulation study suggests up to 34% reduction in crowd surges and faster emergency response by up to 10 to 30%.